Hello everybody, and welcome to another video with your host Scott. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a dubbing brush. You can buy dubbing brushes and they're great. However, I found that the dubbing brush that came with my starter set was a little bit too big, and I also spotted while I was rekindling my hobby, let's say, I was watching Davie McPhails and I noticed that he used something very similar to this, so I thought, well, how could I make that? And I was having a coffee in Greg's one day, and I looked at my stirrer and thought, that's how I can do that. So here we are. These are your Greg stirrers. You can get loads of these if you want to. I've got a couple here. I'm going to use this one. I try to go for ones that aren't fraying on the edges and look like a fairly decent piece of wood. Sometimes maybe with a bit of graining, maybe. And then you want to get some hook and loop. Now you can get the adhesive type like this, or you can use any other hook and loop. And you can use either the white or the black side. That's completely up to you. I'm going to open this up. I think I'm going to use the black side. Get that out the way. Now it's a very simple job, really. Leave the stick as long as you like. You can have it as long or as short as you like. Peel off the backing. Now the adhesive on this is pretty good, but I'm going to super glue it as well. Just a very small amount of glue. Again, I prefer one with a brush. Now you only want a brush about, I don't know, 10mm long, if that. That's probably nearly 20mm there, according to my my mat. And then you're literally just going to stick that right on the end, like that. And then cut it off fairly close. Now it's not going to stay like that, don't worry. Once it's fixed, then you can trim close. In this case I might actually use the craft knife, see if that will work. It's probably going to need a few light passes first before you'll be able to cut it. And there we are, nearly done. I'm going to get some finer scissors and see if I can get it to look a bit better on the end. Now the part of the hook and loop that you want to use to make a dubbing brush is obviously the hook, the loop rather than the hook. Or is it the other way around? Either way, it's not the soft one, it's the rough one that you want to use. You could use the soft one if you wanted to, if you wanted a really light brush. But in this example we've used the we've used the harder stuff. Now obviously you've got a great big long stick and it's completely unfinished there. I want to make mine about this long, and it's such a thin piece of wood you can just cut it with scissors. And then what I would do to stop it fraying and so on, I'd actually give it a coat of super glue maybe, or even a varnish if you wanted to. But that's pretty much it. That's your homemade dubbing brush. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and happy fly tying. Bye bye for now.